And today, there wasn't many online, like, on the, the, hold the flag, but we're just, like, a war, so, we're just gonna go ahead and join this one, and, yeah, cause, it had, like, a lot of players, but, anyways, and here we go, we got a lot of players. Alright, we got some players, let's do it. Alright, let's do it. Alright, who's this girl? Who's this girl? Oh my gosh, this guy. Look, this is a full with so many people, you guys. Look at this. Yo, what is he doing? Guys, what are they doing? What the heck? Okay. Yo, what was that? Yo, what was that? Whoa, who said don't kill me? Like, what the heck? Alright, I need to try to get past this. Don't kill me. Okay. What do I do? Can I just, like, kill, like, all of them or something? Oh, this girl shot. Yo, look at the blood. Why is it made like that? What the heck? Alright. Oh! Shoot. Ah! Shoot. Alright. So, alright. I don't even know why this war, like, why is this so big? It's, like, so... Alright, so we need to try to kill... Alright. I'm gonna kill this one. Oh, I got that. Okay, okay. But listen, blood, this is supposed to be the blood. I don't even know why. Oh, shoot. Alright. Oh, I need to kill this girl. Oh, I got her. Yeah, let's go. Alright. This war is so easy, you guys. Like, okay. Wait, where am I? What just got lost or something? Alright, well, yeah, are y'all serious right now? Like, what the heck? Alright, so, I need to get this chick right now. Alright, bro, don't kill me. Yes, we're gonna have to kill you. That's how the game goes. You have to kill somebody. Like, that's how the game goes. I don't think they know that. And where's the freaking flag? I don't even see it. Yo, does anybody got the flag? I don't think they put flag in this. I don't think they really do put flags in private servers, but anyways. Alright, I killed both of them actually. That was pretty good. Alright. What the heck? What the heck was that? Oh, somebody's got the bro. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm gonna say yes. Yo, why is that? What? Alright. Yes. Alright. Yo, why wouldn't the chat work? I don't think the chat works. What the heck? Why does the chat not work? It says I knew you were fake friends. Yo, who said that? Oh, it's the bacon! Yeah. I don't even know what that bacon is saying, but why? Yeah, we need to kill so much. Okay. Alright. Oh, wow! What was that? What was that smoke? Just came like... The chat doesn't even work. What the heck? Wait. Yeah, I am gonna block you, no. Like, get rich. Oh my gosh, yo. Why do I keep dying? This is so weird. Alright. Okay, we gotta kill this boy, because he ain't doing nothing. Okay. Alright. This boy ain't doing nothing either. Oh, I almost got... Yo, what was that? What the heck? Yo, is this like the emoji? Oh. Alright. Chill out. Yeah. Let me see. Oh, for real? Oh my gosh, this girl's mad. What the heck? Alright, Alright, we need to kill all of these, you guys. These are not doing anything. Alright. Go get rich. Oh, alright. I can't hear you. Oh, yeah, you can, girl. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Yo, what the? Oh, I almost killed that girl. Oh, but yo, she said I can't hear you. Like, what the freak? Like, oh my gosh, what was that? Alright. What is this? Is a big war. Alright. Yo, what's that? Was that? Yo, what the heck did this guy just do? I need to. Oh, I need to kill this girl. Oh, got her. Yes. Alright. Oh, I won. Okay, 10. 10. Wait, what does that say? I don't even know what that girl just said, but it's mat time. Yes, it is. You can't look like PPL. What does this guy mean? Oh, what was that? Is this like a blood thing? Like, what the heck? Why we're leaking blood? Like logos and everything? Like, why are we doing free kill? Oh! Alright. Well, anyway, who has the flag? Yo, y'all need a mind. Yo, stop being a drama queen. You need to stop being a drama queen. Yes, exactly. Why are y'all being drama over there? Y'all bringing all this drama. What was that? Oh, what was that? That was cool. Yo, is this girl Spanish? Alright. But, okay, this is a great war. This is so easy, you guys. Like, this is... Oh! Alright. Alright, I got that girl. What is this? I'm be mad. Bro, what? Bro, why can't I even chat? Like, what the heck? I can't even chat, you guys. This is so weird. Alright. Oh, this boy has the flag. Oh, shoot. We need to kill him. Alright. Alright. Oh, why is this leaking toilet paper? What the heck? Alright. I don't even know, but anyways. Let's try to get past this, actually. Alright, I killed that one. I'm so bad at this, you guys. Alright.